Ford Ranger 3.2 litre with the timing chain. This is a 66 plate 2017 model with a wheel arch widening kit on, a lift kit. All the original Wild Track alloys have been powder coated with 4 off-road Goodyear tyres fitted. Nice high truck. Interior nice and clean throughout with Wild Track mats. This is automatic as standard. The rear is nice and clean as well. In the rear bumper we have parking sensors, rear camera, we had the load cover. Paintwork's pretty good throughout the car. To the drivers, it's nice clean interior again. Automatic headlights, automatic wipers, aircon, heated seats, loads of extras included. Comes with 83k on the clock, benefiting from a major service, 12 months MOT, just had a new battery and glow plugs. This truck will come with our standard 3-month warranty to keep your mind at rest.